Hello. Hold on. Oh, what's going on? Hold on. Hello. Welcome back. Sorry for the technical difficulties, but now we're in Magical Zone. The worst zone in the game. I mean, without the enhancements and spin dash. I might do a Knuckles playthrough, and maybe I forgot my mic wasn't full. Yeah, I might do a Knuckles playthrough, but unlike Sonic 3, there's no significant differences other than a few secrets, like you can also reach those with Tails. The game's not easier since Knuckles has a lower jump. Tails can fly, so yeah, that makes it easier. This won't take more than 15 minutes. So might have to have Act 3 either be skipped, you guys don't see it, or have it be its own part, since I just did it with Knuckles last night. And how long am I gonna die? Sorry for not talking. I have nothing to talk about since I said everything in part 1. I mean, WTS episodes are still coming out, even though Sam isn't here since I already pre-recorded those. I figured something like this would happen. Thanks for watching. And thanks for subscribing to my channel if you did, which if you didn't, I can't blame you. This isn't my normal content, so maybe when I make a second channel, I'll put all of these videos up on there. I also might just have more subscribers on this channel, since it's easier to pump out gaming videos than it is to make fully animated animations. I'm not switching to this for views, I'm switching to this because it's more like it's to hold off the animated parts. And it's also a way to have more fun. It takes less time. I'm not a fan of gaming videos. Yeah, it can be hard to master a game, but other than mastering a game, what else do you have to put in other than editing? And some don't even put in editing. So, impressive, but not effective. All my time's playing through this, I did not know. Oh, yeah, we're 4 minutes in, yeah. Oh, I know, I might have. Yeah! as you probably saw from the first episode, I have a lot of Sonic games that I've pirated, that I have downloaded legally. Oh, yes, that's the invincibility jingle that you cannot hear because I'd have to upgrade to the premium version to have a longer time and to have like the sound, and I'm not doing that because I could, if I wanted to, once I do all these, I can edit them all together, make it like an hour long, maybe 2 hours, 2 hour long video. I'd get more money off you watching it, since I have to get to like 1,000 hours, so it would benefit me more than just a few straight gaming videos. But this will also appear on Sonic searches, so. Oh, this stage. Act 3, boss. Is hard. Well, not only getting into the stage, since you have to jump. If you don't know that, well then, good luck. Okay, keep the bubble shield till the end. Wubble up dub doo. Why I want to keep this to the end, you'll see. Dang it, okay. You would have seen. Wait. Hold on. I've never been down here before. So I'm gonna learn what this weird thing does together. This might be. Yep, this is definitely gonna help. Okay, I was about to die there. That's why I went to my checkpoint, which was just the beginning, so I could just be restarted. Hey, get bubble shield. Boop. Ow. Yeah, the bubble shield allows you to breathe underwater. I probably already said that. That's what I wanted. Make life easier. That's why I lose it so often, because it's so importante. Everything important I seem to lose. Like my sanity. Eventually I might switch to this from my main channel, but no. Hubba. It's early in the morning. I'm playing Sonic. And probably once I beat this game, I'm gonna do a run of Sonic 3 as Sonic and Tails, because I'm not just doing it as Sonic. No, no. The ball was gonna appear at the last second. Don't worry. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Almost time to end it. Yep. This is probably not gonna make it past those. But don't worry. If it ends somewhere in the video, trust me. Zach's just bubble shoe, yes, got it. Got bubble shoe, yes, yes, got bubble shoe, yeah. Got bubble shoe, yes, 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 got bubble shoe. Bubble shoe, good power up, I like it. Da 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 da. Also, if I do ever get to Sonic 3 Air, and if it decides to run with my computer, because trying to record this, my computer crashed. It's probably because I was loading so many files. And this is the part that sucks, and I'm almost out of time. So I'm just gonna skip to when I beat this. Turns out it didn't take that long to beat it. I thought it was gonna take longer. You gotta be kidding me! No way, no. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the boss. So I got back to the boss. I think I'm recording when I paused, but I don't know. This boss takes a long time. I just woke up the electric shield. I did not know that could happen. Dang it! Didn't even get to the water yet. What we said, you have rings, you can get... No! Little! It's worth it. See? I did it. And it didn't take me hours. Well, that's all. I have 1 minute to spare, so just watch this transition. Next time we're going to be doing Starlight Zone. Why? Because I like torturing myself and not working on videos when I'm supposed to. This one's probably one of my favorite stages. The bounce is going fast and platforming. Not enough though. Yeah, see you next time. I'm probably going to record this in either a few hours or a few days, depends on how unmotivated I feel. So yeah, I'm just going to waste all my time. I'll give it like 5 seconds of it, maybe. So like almost time for me to go. Yep. You guys have like 10 more seconds, so let's cherish this by going wild. See you next episode.